Did you know about visual intelligence? German scientists discovered the connection of intelligence with myopia, and 99% of the information that your brain makes a decision we get through our eyes, according to a certain zone of the brain that is engaged in processing information and making solution based on received information. Now think if the vision is good, a person's view is wide, not a narrow, and not limited by the frames of a screen. Person can capture whole wide horizon around him. There is a lot of visual good quality information, which means the brain works better and decisions are made better. For example, take something similar to make a better solution. You need more different information and more correct output you can get. For example, if a person has a little eye movement and his view is limited to glasses for myopia, eyesight distance is small and very narrow gaze. All this negatively affects intelligence. Conclusion: based on all this, it's possible to conclude very simply: want to develop your brain, improve your eyesight naturally. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.